I'm going to tell you what sound it makes and what's it for and the favorite thing I eat. And so, oh. And now I'm trying to tell you what is it for. Umbrella and bun. I like to eat bun. And the letter I. So this is the letter I. And I'm going to tell you what it's for. So, and this is the sound it makes. E. And it's also for iguana and igloo and bin. So, letter I, I'm going to tell you the sound it makes. And the sound it makes is E. And also, it's for internet. Internet. So, I'm going to get you two words. So, first, the eagle. The eagle. The in. The in. The in. The e. No, the e. E. I. The in. The in. The in. The in. So this and it's and. So be in the eagle. And that's all for today. Have you learned your lesson now?